Hello, my name is Tom Bernard. I'm the president and owner of Octopus Products. Today I'd like to show you an idea about using Octolam plastic laminate instead of drywall as a way to panel the inside of your home or your office. The idea is that you would take a piece of Octolam laminate, you would glue it onto a core of particle board, and then you have to put a balancing sheet on the back. And that's just an inexpensive material, but it makes sure that the panel stays flat after installation. So this video we're going to show you how to actually fabricate the panels, how to install them, and to give you an idea of what the end product is actually going to look like. So thank you very much and enjoy the video.